Hi there, it's Carla Holden from Her Business Boutique, and I wanted to make a quick tutorial to show you how you can use Canva to create marketing materials or your freebie PDF downloadable amazing thing that you're creating for your target client. So here I am in canva.com, and I'm just going to go ahead and click on the More button. Canva has a lot of different templates. So these are the templates that you can use to just drag and drop all kinds of different things in really different sizes here. They have album covers, Kindle covers, infographics, blog graphics. Today I'm just going to show you a simple PDF. They also have email headers if you want to create something for your Facebook page, documents, even things for Facebook ads, Facebook ad sizing. So we're going to start with this basic A4 document, and I'm just going to walk you through some of the elements that Canva has. So here we go. All right, so it starts here with layouts. And layouts are basically the templates that they have in their library. They're all free to use unless you use one of their images. Then you pay $1 per image, I believe. So we're just going to pick one of their templates under layouts, and I'm going to do this one because I've been using this one lately. I like it. Okay, so layouts. You see here that there's an image, that's their image, so I don't want to use that. I'm going to use this as a PDF, so I'm just going to double click on that. Actually, don't need to double click, but do you see here where it says, it shows this little color, circle colored box here? Circle colored bubble. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to replace her image with white. I just want a plain white background. And if you click the plus button, you'll see the color wheel pop up, so you could really change the colors to be whatever you want. But we'll just stick with the simple white background. They have these little dots here. It's cute. Don't know if I'll need that, but maybe I'll shrink it down as a little design element to have here in the corner. But anything you don't want, let's see how that looks. It's okay. Anything you don't want, you just click on it, delete. Okay, so now this box here, I'm going to delete that text. Okay, let's see what pops up here. So you'll see that when you click on a box that has text in it, you'll see they have a library of fonts that you can use. Just click on the one that you like. And here's where you can change the size of the font. So we'll keep it 28. Here's where you can change the color again. Pink, green, this yellow. And again, you can click the plus sign to add more. And then this little arrow drops down and shows you where you can make everything uppercase into a bullet point list. If you want to make something center, angle it to the right or to the left. We'll keep it centered. Or let's say you wanted to add a hyperlink to your lead page or to your calendar. At the end, let's say you're writing your bio and you want people to click a link to check out your free 30-minute call. So you can add a link to any text by clicking on this arrow here. Okay, so it's really user-friendly. I'll just show you how you can resize boxes and things like that too. So let's see. When you see these little circles, half circles appear on the side, you can stretch out. This is for the text though. We don't actually want to stretch the text. Okay, here's the box. This is what I want to play with. So click the box, and I'm going to stretch this box out to the side here because I want to have a header across the top. So once you see this diagonal line pop up in the middle, see that dotted diagonal line that pops up? That lets you know that you're centered. Okay, so we're going to stop there. And then I'm going to take these half circle ones to drag it up and make it a little bit smaller like that. Okay, and if I want to move the entire box, then I wait for these 4 corner navigation thing to appear, and I'm just going to drag, oh, this is for the text. I'm going to drag the text to be right there. Okay, I'm going to delete this text here. Don't need it. So now we have this frame that we've kept. We have this box that we've created. I'm just going to drag it over a little bit. Oops, there we go. Perfect. Okay. So why is this not? For some reason this will not let me grab it. Hold on. There we go. This gypsy thing is what I wanted. Okay. So this, we're just going to delete this. Okay. So now I'm going to show you, this was all done under layouts. We started with this template here, and we just removed her image, removed the little dots, kept the framing. Here at the bottom, you can always add your website. And you just select all the text and put in your website. Or whatever you want there at the bottom. Okay, so let's go over to text. This is their navigation here on the side. There's layouts, text, background, and uploads. So with text, you can add here, which is a headline text. You can add this size, which is a subtitle text, or you can add a little bit of body text. Any text box you add, you're just going to click on it and drag it over into the document. Okay, so this already has this, you're just going to select all and start typing. Type whatever you want here. Okay, so I'm just going to copy and paste that so that we have some text to work with. And again, I'm going to drag these little semicircles out to the side so that my text fits the entire page. And again, if you want to change your font, click there. You can change the color. We'll keep it black. And yeah, anything here that you wanted to change in terms of spacing the text, making something italicized or bold, you can do that all by using this drop down arrow. Okay, so you look over here, you'll see that they have a lot of done for you text bubbles. Anything that you want to use, if you wanted to add some design element, you really could just drag and drop. You just click it, drag it over here, and plop it down there in the middle or wherever you want. So if you don't really know design, or this is your first time creating something, find a PDF or a freebie that you like the design of and just look at the elements and see what it is that you like about it. And you can really model your materials after whatever you find online that you like. So you can add little bubbles like that, change the content in here. It says October 12th, 14th. You can add a date, or you can make this into a page number bubble. Or we can just click the whole entire thing and delete it. Okay, so once you've created a page, you can add a new page, or you can go back up here to the top and copy the current page that you have. So then that just creates a whole other version of it, which I find to be pretty simple. And then if you wanted to move something up, you just click the arrow if you want to rearrange your pages. So now we've moved that one up. Let's say you wanted to move this one up and make it the title header page. Move that up. Okay, so let's say that we're going to use this as our title page. Maybe go to uploads. Well, here's backgrounds. I'll just show you that really quick. Backgrounds is where you can change the background of your template. So they have a few different free ones here. You can also search images right here. Canva is so cool. It just has all kinds of different things, but I like to keep it pretty simple. If you have a couple colors, if you have a couple photos that you like, so let's say you wanted to add a picture of yourself. Do that right there. Center it. Voila, you have a photo at the front page of your new PDF. And then maybe you want to go back to text and add a box like this. So you just drag it again to the top. I'm going to take this photo and drag it down a little bit. Take this box, drag it down a little bit. Come on. There we go. And then of course I can change the font again inside and the design and have it say, hey there, I'm Carla, whatever. Okay, trying to think if there's anything else to show you. Once you are done creating your PDF, saving it here in the upper right-hand corner, it's constantly saving the document. Here we're going to click this text right here. It says always. That's where you can name your PDF. So you want to name it whatever your freebie is. So let's say you're doing a meditation. You can name it meditation. And then when you're all done, you're going to click download. And you're going to download it as high quality PDF. So we're holding tight. It's preparing our design. If you used any of Canva's premium elements, they're $1 a piece, but we're not using any of theirs. So this whole thing was created for free. Okay. So it's automatically started downloading. You saw that little arrow. If it doesn't, you click here to download it. So now I'm just going to go here, open this. And there we have it. A new PDF to give to your target client. And you can save it to your computer, title it, and then you have your link to share on your lead page or in your emails or on social media, wherever you want to share your PDF or your freebie. Just make sure you get their email address before you give it out. So that is how you create a PDF in Canva. I think I got all the different elements for you. And oh, if you want to see the size of what your document looks like while you're creating it, you can just click here and it'll show you in real sizing. That's at 100%. So have fun, enjoy, bye.